there's a lot of people up here in the north doing a lot of good things in gaming, and one person I think that everybody in Scandinavia is proud of in the last couple of years actually, is Gorm Lai. So Gorm, come on up and give the prize to the Nordic Game Jam.
Okay, so I'm very happy to be here. I feel nearly you are becoming my friends here. It's a returning thing. So for those who don't know, the Game Jam is a 48-hour event where a lot of people gather to prototype and make games. So just to talk a little about the Nordic Game Jam, it has grown from year to year, and last year we were over 150 participants, making over 29 games in less than 48 hours. And we had all kinds of different participants, a lot from the Nordic region, but not only. We had people from Germany, the US, and not only were they very different in culture, but also very different in background. So we have students and professionals working together. And I think a game jam like ours is a really unique opportunity for students to work with professionals and to exchange ideas with them and try that out. So I really hope that we can continue our collaboration here with Gotland University. We had some students last year that came down to us, which was fantastic, and we hope we can continue to build on this collaboration. And this year we had some games showcased up here, and it was the two winners from the Nordic Game Jam this year. We had a Jury's Award and a People's Award. And the winner is, I hope. Oh, there's no envelope. I know it, so will there be an envelope forthcoming or? No? So it's my call. It is Sheep Away.
I don't think we quite expected this, and I must say that Gotland has really exceeded our wildest expectation. I think we didn't expect to find this school and this amazing program. I think we are pretty envious of actually your game program, so you can be very happy about it.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Come join the Game Jam.
Yeah.